Hey guys, welcome back to another day of trading with me. As you can see, I started over with a brand new demo account and I already marked some stuff on the chart. So I have a fair value gap and a resistance zone. The resistance is, to the bearish trend, and so that's why I marked it. And right now I'm waiting to see if there's going to be a pullback and, see if I could, as soon as the pullback stops, I enter the trend. So yeah, we're waiting. As you can see, the the um the candlestick goes back into my second fair value gap zone. It briefly touches it and it's starting to decline again. Now, as you can see, um, it did touch the fair value gap and it started to become bullish again. So I waited for the third candlestick to be I waited for the third candlestick to be done, and then I placed a trade because I saw movement towards the bearish side, and so I set up a 1-to-1 ratio to get $80. Okay, this is my third trade and I have two fair value gaps down on my chart. I saw that the candlesticks were playing around the fair value gaps, and I also have a resistance zone. So I decided to take a trade and make my profit zone the resistance zone because I saw that the candlesticks had touched the resistance zone twice. Now, I had to pause the recording to do some other stuff, but as we can see, we did lose the trade. And one thing I did learn was that I should have put my stop loss above the fair value gap. And so, yeah, next time, that's what I'm gonna do. Well, this is my third trade, and as you can see, I already marked the fair fair value gap, and also in that fair value gap is my previous high, is a previous higher high. And so yeah, I marked that down as, I marked it as a place where the prices are gonna go back down into, and shoot back up. I'm expecting the prices to go back down into that range, shoot back up. But I did see that that the candlesticks were starting to, go back up again, and so I placed a trade, and I set my what's it called? I set my take profit near the top of the other zone that I marked, and my stop loss was below my fair value gap. Unfortunately, lost this trade. Next time, I'll wait for it to pull back all the way into the fair value gap in the previous high. This is my fourth trade, and I did take this right after I lost the other one. I took this trade because the candlesticks pulled back into my fair value gap zone and the previous high, and so I decided to take the trade because it was looking bullish. So yeah. So yeah, I did win this trade. I am now in the green again, plus 26. This is my fifth trade, and in this trade, as you can see, I have 3 fair value gap zones, and I placed a trade and placed my take profit in the first fair value gap zone that is close to me, and I placed my stop loss a couple of ticks away from the previous this low. I decided to change my take profit to the second fair value gap zone. And so yeah. Okay, so I had to stop the recording, but yeah, this is what it looked like. The candlesticks did go all the way up into the second fair value gap zone, and I was close to getting my take profit, but the candlesticks were off by like maybe like $8, and that's why it didn't stop the trade. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you like and subscribe.